Dear learner, you're most welcome to this wonderful session. In this video, I'm going to show you how to apply formatting in a document. The purpose of formatting a document is to change the appearance of the document, as you're going to see. Assuming that you've created your text, for example, you've saved a file, like I have saved this file on the desktop. I am going to open this file by double-clicking it to open. You can see it has already opened. Now, the next thing that I want to show you is how to apply a font style on this text. Before doing any changes on this text, the first thing that I'm going to do, or you have to do, is to highlight or select this text. By so doing this, you'll have chosen or selected the text by highlighting it. Then go and locate the font style that you need from the font group. As you can see, you'll come up to this arrow here. Then on this arrow, you're going to click arrow. You can see different font styles appear. So you can even see if I hover this each of these font style, the text changes. Now I'm going to choose the font that I want by selecting Algerian as the font I want. You can see the font has already been applied onto this text. Now, if I want to change to another font style, I'll highlight the text. After highlighting, I'll go back to the font group, then come to this arrow here, then click it, then choose another font face or font style that I need. For example, I'll need Times New Roman. I'll click Times New Roman. You can see the text has changed again back to the Times New Roman. So, dear learner, that's how to change the font or to apply the font style on the text. So the next thing that I'm going to show you is to apply bold font style on the text. So to apply bold font style on the text, you are going to highlight again the text by selecting it or highlight it. After selecting it through highlighting, you're going to locate a bold font style from the font group here. For example, you locate this B. This B stands for bold. Then after locating it, you will click it, and you can see, after clicking, so bold font style has been applied on the text as you see. This is a bold font style. Now, if I want, or if you want to change or to deactivate this font, bold font, highlight the text. After highlighting it, go back to B and click B. You can see you would have deactivated the bold font style from this, so the text goes back to its original. So that is how to apply bold font style on the text. So the next thing that you're going to see is how to apply italic font style on the text. How? You're going to highlight again or select the text by highlighting it. Then go back and locate for italic font style from the font group here, where this I you see, this I stands for italic. You're going to click italic to italicize the text. You can see the text has changed into italic. So the font style italic has been applied onto this text. So the next thing, if you need to deactivate this italic, you're going to again highlight the text. After highlighting the text, go back to I, italic, then click it, and by so doing that, you'd have changed back the font style to it is original. So that is how to apply italic font style on the text. The next thing that I'm going to show you is how to underline the text. So by underlining the text, you will choose the text that you want. For example, I'm going to choose this line, the first line, by highlighting it. Select it by highlighting. As you see, I've highlighted it. After highlighting it, I am going to choose U. This U stands for underline, and it is on the font group here. As you see, I'll choose underline, then click underline. So you find that the text that I chose is already underlined. The same way, if I want to deactivate the underline, I'll highlight this text or select this text where I've applied the underline font style. Then go back to underline, then click underline. You'll see already the text is now changed. It has gone back to its original. I have removed the underline. Now, if I want to double underline this text, I'll again choose the text I want to double underline. For example, I've chosen this by underlining it. Then go back to U here, where U is, besides U at the right hand side, there is a drop down arrow here. I'm going to click that drop down arrow. Then double underline lines will see the single, double, then thick, then dotted. So I'm going to choose double. I'll click double. So by so doing that, I have double underlined the text that I want. If the same way, you'll also do the same. If I want to deactivate or to remove this double underline, I'll highlight it. After highlighting it, I'll go back to this arrow here and click, then check or click this line double underline to deactivate it, or I'll go to U. You can see it has already been changed. So I have deactivated the double underline. So now the next thing I'm going to show you is how to change the font color of the text or of the document, as you're going to see. By so doing that, again, you're going to select the text by highlighting it, then go back to the font group here and look for A. This A contains font color. This A stands for font color. Besides it, there is a drop down arrow at the right hand side, this one. So I am going to click this arrow here. After clicking it, it brings me the types of the colors, many colors that I want. So I will choose whatever color, or you will choose whatever color that you want. For me, I'm going to choose red. I click red. You can see the font color has already been applied on the text. Now, what happens if I want to remove or to change the font color of this? I'll go back and highlight it. Then after highlighting, I'll go back to this drop down arrow here, click it, then choose another color. For example, I've chosen blue here. I'll click. You can see it has changed to blue automatic. Now, if I want to take back this text to original, I'll highlight it. After highlighting it, I'll go back to this very drop down arrow, then click it, then I'll choose automatic. After choosing automatic, you can see it has gone back to original color, that is black. So that is how to apply different colors or font color on the text. So having done that, the next thing that I'm going to show you is to apply a strike-through style on the text. I'm going to choose line 1 such that or wherever I want to apply. Let's say, let me choose 2 lines here to apply strike through. I'll click 2 lines here and highlight or select them. After selecting them, I'll come and locate this strike through icon and click it. You can see the strike through has already taken place. So this is how to strike through the text or the document. I can even deactivate it by again selecting it or highlighting it. After highlighting it, I'll go back to strike through icon or tool, then click it. By so doing that, I have deactivated the strike through font from this text. Thank you. Now, another thing that you're going to do, or what I'm going to show you, is how to apply a font size on the text. So, you're going again to select the text by highlighting it. After highlighting it, go to the font group, and come to up here where the numbers are. On this, you're going to choose again this arrow, drop down arrow, and click it. Then choose any font size that you want. For example, I'm going to choose font size 26. Then click it. You can see I have increased the font size of this text. Or if I want to take it back to change the font style, I can highlight it again like the way I've highlighted, then come back to this arrow here, click it, then choose maybe 14 or 12. You can see here, you can see this text here, it has changed to 12. So that is how to change the font style of the text. You can apply the font style or the font size, the font size to the text to wherever you want. As you see, I decided to highlight this one and left this side. Where I've highlighted is where the effect has taken place. So that is how to do it. So the next thing is I'm going to show you how to apply text highlight color. How do I apply text highlight color? Let me apply highlight text color to the first line. By highlighting the first line here, then come to this yellow, this pencil here, AB pencil, this is text highlight color. Then come to this arrow here. There I will choose which color do I need to apply as a highlight color. I will click it, then choose any. For example, I can choose green, can choose blue, can choose, but for this time, let me choose green. So you can see this is what is called highlight color, text highlight color. So now what I want you to note is that whatever format or the change that you want to apply on the text, the first thing you are going to do is to select the text by highlighting it. Then you apply any change that you want. Thank you for being a good student. We meet next time. Endeavor to subscribe into the YouTube channel so that you will get more videos. Thank you.